Guys, is the camera on? It is? Ah, man. Just... Even though we got a brand new layout in this den, did a lot of work. You guys didn't do anything. Yeah, I'm sounding a little sick, YouTube. Okay, much better. Oh. You idiots. Just because I have a little flu doesn't mean wearing a mask is gonna prevent you from getting sick. You're behind the freaking... Never mind. By the way, I actually tested for COVID. Negative. Duh. And they still want us to freaking isolate at home, pretending like we had COVID. A bunch of idiots. Okay, I'm very confused. What is the point of this video? This video today... Oh, by the way, what is good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to our video. Yes, I'm a little sick. I'm trying to recover. It's been like 4 days. It's actually good to get the winter flu because that way your body can build immune, system, whatever. Just build your immune. Today, the question is, should you clean your freaking construction boots, your construction shoes? In this case, this is my pair. This is how it looks like after one freaking day. It's a little wet outside today at work. The uppers, it's a mix of nubuck, suede, mesh, fabric, plastic, rubber material. Okay, you guys are like, this is not real steel toe boots. Yes, it is CSA, which means the steel toe and the bottom puncture resistant, all that, puncture proof, all kinds of proof, not waterproof. That is the question. Should you freaking clean it? Now, of course, grab your cleaning solution. Okay, put that aside. You must have a freaking nice bowl of water. In this case, I don't. It doesn't matter because this is the answer. The answer is... No, you freaking idiots. You're not supposed to clean your construction boots, your construction whatever, because it looks better when it's dirty. Oh, you noobs, you idiots. If you're in the field, you should know, don't clean your freaking boots. The dirtier it is, the better it is, the more pro you look, so you don't look like a noob. Oh my god. Funny story, actually, that's the video. That is the answer. This is not clickbait. I got all this freaking crap all over my desk. I'm a little pissed off. You in the back there, you look like a noob. Can you clean my desk after and sanitize? Okay, great. Make sure you sanitize your face and your hands, you fool. Yeah, funny story. Construction, I think I started doing plumbing assistant for like 2 months now. Didn't know what to expect. I did have construction experience before, not my field. Okay, I'm doing shoe stuff. I'm doing this part-time because I need to pay my bills. Freaking goddamn COVID pandemic killing my business slowly. But yeah, I was like, hey, first day to work, I'm gonna wear shorts. I'm an idiot. I'm also gonna wear brand new black steel toe boots. Oh my god. I show up to work. Pretty sure the guy that's supposed to train me, he's looking at me like, all right, great, we got another loser. We got a failure. This guy's wearing shorts to work, and his boots are super clean. But guess what? After the first day, I learned really quick, survived. Now he loves having me there. I hope he loves me there. I don't know. The boss, I'm sure he likes me helping because, yeah, like every other person that they hired so far before me, they gave up after a day because the work was too hard. But I survived, and this is my second pair of steel toe boots. The other one, water was leaking. This one, I'm going with the sneaker style because, after all, it is sneaker clinic. I'm a little disappointed because I got all the freaking sawdust everywhere. I was cutting wood today. You're not going to cut that off? Of course you guys are not going to edit that off. Yeah, you guys are not going to edit that part out. Okay. So, yes, that is the answer. Why am I clapping? The answer is no, don't clean your freaking construction boots. If you do, you're going to end up looking... Oh, okay, this flu is really making me confused. You're going to end up looking like a noob. So, yeah. Why did I just inhale the shoe? Actually, not that bad. Smell test smells very, very like chemicals. Sometimes, I'm telling you, man, sometimes YouTube, oh my god, they just, I'm wearing this right. Sometimes they just expect like, oh, why am I watching this video? I'm not like winning a free pair of shoes. You know, it's just this freaking idiot like, oh, so you cleared construction shows? No, yes. What a loser. What a weirdo. Doing such a weird video. What do you think I'm doing? Freaking putting on the 3M mask. N95. No, I'm not cleaning my shoes. Just can't stand a little stain right there. No, I'm not cleaning the shoe. I'm just cleaning a little. It's just bugging me though. Fine. Yeah, don't clean your stupid construction shoes. Of course, you're still filming.